Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fold this origami sailboat made from a dollar bill. Fold the bill directly in half and then open it right back up. We're going to fold up this bottom edge piece and we're going to match it so that it aligns with this top piece here. So we're basically making a triangle shape while making sure that those top pieces are even. We're going to go ahead and do the same with the left. And when you're making these folds, it should end up right around here on the dollar bill. The next thing we're going to do is fold in each of these side pieces. And we're going to use this center edge piece as our alignment. So we're going to go ahead and fold that in so that it matches the center edge piece and also even at the top. And we're going to go ahead and do that on the left side as well, where we're going to go ahead and fold it into that center piece, just like that. You can go ahead and open these up if you'd like, and then we're going to flip the bill around. From the very first fold that we made, we created a center crease in the center here, and that's going to help us with this next step. So we're going to go ahead and fold this right piece right alongside of that center, and we're going to go ahead and do the left piece right around the center as well. So you should have something that looks like this. We're going to go ahead and open up the right flap again, and then we're going to fold in this to the center. So we're going to go ahead and line that up right there with the center, making sure that the top is even. So from a previous fold, you should have a crease right here, and we're going to use that as our guide to make this next fold like that. And then we're going to go ahead and fold this right back down along that center line. We're going to take this top little piece here and we're going to fold that down. From here, we're going to flip the bill around and we're going to make one more fold. We want to make sure that this top piece will match the bottom. Just like that. And when it's in place, you can go ahead and firm in all of your creases. There you guys have it. This is the sailboat origami. These are a good way to impress your friends or family or leave as a gift for someone. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more.